Hello everyone, welcome to Fuzia tutorials. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a picture with a clean skin and to clean up the skin on Photoshop with the retouching technique. But this tutorial is specially designed for beginners and not for professional editors, so I'm not gonna show you a complicated steps. It's gonna be a very simple steps for you to learn how to clean up the skin on Photoshop. So this tutorial is specially created for influencers, normal people posting on social media in general. So it's suitable for you to learn some quick tips on how to clean the skin. Well, in order to know how to use Photoshop as a beginner, you should understand that Photoshop is all about layers. You're working on layers, and that's very important. What I really recommend is to create a new layer once you edit anything, to be able to go back to that step easily. So now I'm gonna duplicate the layer by pressing right click on the layer, then press on duplicate layer. Then before you start, check all the spots you need to remove by observing the picture for like few minutes. Now press on the healing brush tool. As you can see, it repairs imperfections using pixels from another part of the image. And that's exactly how it works. So there is a difference between the spot healing brush tool and the healing brush tool. And in today's tutorial, we are focusing on those tools, the healing brush tool and the spot healing brush tool. Let me tell you the difference. The spot healing brush is a default healing tool in Photoshop and can be used to clone areas from an image and blend the pixels from another area. So the basic principle is that the texture from the simple area is blended with another with the color and luminosity surrounded wherever you paint. So the main difference between them, that the spot healing brush requires no source point, so it might be much more easier for beginners to use, but I prefer using the healing brush tool, because in the healing brush tool you specify yourself the part that you want to clone the area and the part you want to take it and add it in another part. So the process isn't automatic, it's all about your choice. That's why as a professional it's much more better and much more professional to use it than using the spot healing brush. But for beginners you can use the spot healing brush as well. So let's see the results together.